Where'd everybody go, guys? Oh, he's just a baby. Look at his colors. He is definitely just a baby. Hmm? Where is everybody, guys? What happened? Hmm? Is that Papa Duck? Oh my God. Like a big brother. Hmm? Oh, there he goes. What about you, little guy? Hmm? You can tell by this Drake's coloring that he is definitely a juvenile. See how like splotchy his colors is and they're not really distinct? And look at, you see how he's got like a curly tail going on? That's called a Drake's tail. Duck. Just learned that recently from a farmer I follow on YouTube. Pretty cool, huh? Look at this little guy go. Eat, little one, eat. Yeah, he doesn't have that ring around his neck, and his beak doesn't look like super bright yellow. But he's got his like mallard blue plumage on his wings. Hmm? Even his green head, it looks a little splotchy. Looks like he made a friend. Isn't that nice? Now he's done. All right. There you go, big guy. They're all in the water together over here someplace. But I have no idea where. I'll see them soon enough.